Hey, welcome back, So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle. So to start with, I went ahead to section a little portion of my client's hair in the front, and I'll check in with her to see which side she would prefer, the fuller side or the flat twist. So to determine this, usually some people say you go with your beauty side. So I guess my client's beauty side was on her right, so we went ahead to do the bigger flat twist on the right and the smaller one on the left, and then after that I'll show you guys what's next, so keep watching. Alright, so at this point I just went ahead to put my client's hair in a bun, and I applied a cool styler gel as well as my got-to-be glue to secure it in place, so that way the hair can last her for about a week or so. So go ahead and do that, and once you're done, I'll show you guys how I made my bun. I literally made this bun from scratch. We didn't have to buy it, so keep watching so you can see how I made the bun. Alright, so the next clip will show you guys how I did the bun. I already went ahead to attach my rubber band, my hairband, so that way I'm going to be able to use this to attach it to the ponytail. So I'll go ahead to make a bubble, and the reason why I'm using a white rubber band is just so you guys can see it. For the hair that I made for my client, I used a black rubber band. Alright, so one there and one here. So this is the secret to how I make my bun myself. Yeah, and I just adjust this to the okay. So now you go in the middle of your hair, in the middle of the top bubble, and fold this bubble here, fold it into this one. So basically, so this is what we have, right? This is what we have. One rubber band here, one at the tip. Then you go ahead and fold your bubble into the middle. So as you guys can see, my bun is formed. This is what it looks like now. This is the parts you need. And this, if you use the black rubber band, this part won't be showing, right? It will be underneath the hair because you're using the bobby pin to pin it. So you go ahead and attach this way to the client's hair, then you flip it over. So I'll show you guys that in the video. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, you just want to attach like that, and then you flip it over. Perfect. So at this point, you just go ahead and use your bobby pin, and that's pretty much it. You have less work to do because you already made the bun from scratch, so you don't have to start molding it or anything. Just use the bobby pin to secure it in place. And that's it, guys. We're all done, and my client is looking gorgeous. I just went ahead with some got-to-be glue spray so that the hair can last her a while. Look at the finished look. I'm in love.